song with a message. I want you to heed my warning. I want to tell you all a story about this chick I know. They call her Amphetamine Anna. She's always shoveling snow. I sat her down and told her crystal clear, I don't mind you getting high, but there's one thing you should feel. Your mind might think it's flying, baby, on those little pills, but you ought to know it's dying, cause speed kills. But Annie kept on speeding. Her health was getting poor. She saw things in the window. She heard things at the door. Her mind was like a grinding mill. Her lips were cracked and sore. Her skin was turning yellow. I just couldn't take it no more. She thought her mind was flying on those little pills. She didn't know it was going down fast, cause speed kills. Yeah. Speed can kill you too, baby. Won't it, Anna?
Maybe so.
Yeah. Here comes a good part. Well, I sat her down and told her one more time. The whole wide human race has taken far too much better crime. She said, I don't care what Lobby says, I got to get it on.
Every time you do your thing, Lord, sick of the pigs on you. Feeling good, have some fun. Go downtown, but don't you wander around. Sick of them pigs on you. Watch what you do, watch what you say. You on the street, you better play the game their way. Sick of them pigs on you. Grab your guns, 5 bombs too. Sit